My name is Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I thought I would share a get ready with me for Friday Fabulousness because it's going to be a date night for me and my husband. And I'm drawing inspiration to do this video from Cindy, from her channel, Cindy's Lifestyle and More. She does the most beautiful makeup applications and she makes it look so easy and describes every product. So please head on over to her channel and subscribe to her. She has so much good advice, where she buys it, like everything. And she's just a super sweet lady. Okay, so let's get started here. Let me just move you guys up. Okay, so what I first used after I washed my face, I use this Chanel Hydra Beauty Cream. And I put it lightly over and I put like a touch on my eyelids. And then of course I let everything dry. And today I'm going to be trying using my Chanel products because you know, I'm lucky enough to have daughters who give me these as gifts, and I don't know why, but I always end up using my Revlon eyeshadow. So I thought I would make this video and use my Chanel makeup. So the two eyeshadows I'm using today is, the first one is a quad, and it's called the multi-color one, and it's right there. I'll be using that. And you can see I have used that for a bit. This one I haven't used. It is the Jade Mystique and it's metallic. So I thought, well, you know what? Because I'm going out, might as well add some sparkle, right? Okay, so I'm going to be using an assortment of makeup brushes. My Chanel brushes are just, I don't know, they're too small. So I'm not going to be using those today. So as you can see, I have hooded eyes, like hooded, hooded eyelids. Oh my gosh. So I'm first going to start off with, oh my God, I'm going to start off with this dark brown color here. And just going to go right in there. That will give me the illusion that I do not have hooded eyelids. And yes, it looks messy when I first do it. Like, it looks like you have a black eye. Now I'm going to go in with this, that lighter. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it to the mirror, guys. See, Cindy, you make this look so easy and it's actually really hard. So I'm going to be using that one there. Just going to go on the eyelid like that. And I go about like halfway. So there's that one. And then I'm going to do above the brows. I think I was going to use another one. Oh yes, so I'm also going to be using this one here. And as you can see, I really like this one because I used the two palettes at the bottom till they were gone. So I'm going to use the light color brown right there to do above. Okay, then I'm going to take my little blender. I'm going to go in right now and blend it all in. Seems a bit darker on this side, so I still have some on the other brush here. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous, guys? And I just go like halfway on my lids here. Hold up. Okay. Oh, I'm going to use the lighter color here for right below my eyebrows. There we go. Blend, 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 blend. My eyeliner. Okay, it's the Chanel. This came part of a gift box my daughter got me at Christmas. So let's see if I can do this. Right underneath the lashes. And I do like a little, not like a wing. Okay, now I put on my SPF. I guess it's, I don't know, light foundation. I don't know. I can't remember. I'll put all this in the description. I always forget this, and I pretty much use this like every day. Go like that. Am I even looking at the camera? Pull apart another heart. Let's do the eyebrows. I am using this one. I don't know where my Chanel one is, so I probably used it all. So I just go very lightly. I actually need to get my eyebrows done. Then it has a little brush. Oops. Okay, now we're on to the mascara, my favorite. So we're using this. Like I said, it came as part of a gift from my daughters. So let's see. I don't think I've ever used this one, guys. It usually doesn't take me this long. But I will cut and I will fast forward, you guys, so you're not bored out of your mind. Okay, let's try another coat on this Chanel mascara that didn't work. And today I'm not using a eyelash curler. Now I am going to use a bit of the Chanel, what is this? The illuminating powder, just a little bit. Even though I'm starting to sweat in here because I had to close the window because of all the cars. So I'm going to use my big brush here, just a little bit. Just a, I guess I should, oh my god, okay, there I have it covered. Isn't that cute? So I'm just going to use some on my cheeks since I'm not wearing any blush today. And that's pretty much so I'm wearing this lip liner. What is that? Okay. And then, no more and then, I am using this cocoa, guess I should make sure I have a Cocoa, Rouge Cocoa Shine. My daughter's going to say, it's too pink. You know what? We are coming to the end of summer, so I'm going to use that one. And then I'm going to mix it with just the, no, that's the balm. And then I don't need the balm with this one because it has the shine. I'm going to use this one here on top. I know you should use it the other way around, but this is what works for me because the shine comes through. Okay, guys, that's it. There we go. Hi guys, my makeup is done, and this is my date night outfit. It is this buttery yellow vest from H&M that I got at the beginning of the seasons with these beautiful, beautiful gold buttons. The pants, gosh guys, I can't remember. I'll have to look at the tag and then put it in the description, but they are like the wide leg. They're so comfortable, and I think they actually look nice with the vest. My shoes are from Chanel. I haven't worn these in so long. These shoes have got to be like over 10 years old, guys. They're so old, and I'll do a close-up of them. And I thought I would take my haversack with me. I mean, I love this bag, guys, and I don't know. I think for date night, going to a nice restaurant, I think this is the cool girl bag. Here are the shoes, guys. These are the Chanel with the quilted heel, and it's got the little logo on the side, and then it has the chain detail that is on the reissue flat bag. And for a designer shoe, guys, these are so comfortable. And I think these are, guys, these got to be like over 10 years old. So, and I only wear them in the summertime, but they are really, really comfortable. And I think they really look nice with the haversack. Chanel and Coach, do they go together? Yes, in my world, they do. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. That would be awesome. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.